here today with Kyle with Honest Handyman, and he's going to show us some caulking.
Yeah, so we've got a shower behind us. There is some caulking issues just from water over time getting behind the caulking and helping it pull apart. We also got a little discoloration. So we're going to go ahead and get in there with a razor blade. We're going to remove the old caulking first. Then we're going to go ahead and put a nice new caulking bead along the lines so that they won't have moisture problems in the future.
Alright, so how often should we be doing this on a regular basis?
It just depends on how long it lasts. Caulking can be good for a year or it could be good for 10 years. So it really just depends. Once you start seeing it pulling away from the wall or discoloration in it, then you want to call someone out and have it addressed.
Okay, alright.
So as you can see, we've got some missing caulking here in the joints. And then here in the corner, we've got some discoloration. Someone has added a couple layers over the top, which is incorrect. So we'll remove all of that before we put our new layer of it on. Today we're going to be using this white 100% silicone. This is mold resistant and it is water cleanup, which makes it a little easier to make it look pretty.
So here you can see he's removing what's already there. Alright, so here we are. You're about ready to get started on.
Yeah, so we've already removed all the old silicone out of all the joints. We went ahead and went around and we wiped it all off with just a little bit of multi-purpose cleaner just to get it all clean, get everything off, get all the dust out of there. Now we got our silicone in our caulking gun and we're going to go ahead and start filling the joints. Now when you do the joints, you don't want to put too much in. You just want to go, take your time, don't do too much at once. You don't want to go around this whole bathroom and then try and clean it up. You really want to just do a section and then come back through and I'll show you how we wipe it off and then you'll go in and do another section. So we got our first section, we've got it applied. I release the pressure on my caulking gun so that it doesn't make a mess. I take my multi-purpose, this is just diluted simple green. You just get the joint damp, and then you can go ahead and take your finger, and you can gently push it in, removing the excess as you go, which makes a nice pretty bead everywhere you're going to go. And we'll finish with that same corner. If you need to add a little bit because you see a little light, you can. If a little bit pushes out, you can just move it out of the way. And then we'll go ahead and continue and do the whole tub.